to my channel. I'm going to be doing a very easy and very quick demonstration of me installing this beautiful wig. Y'all know how I feel about blonde. If you've been here since day one, y'all know how I feel about this blonde color on me. This wig that I'm going to be using, if you didn't see the clip good enough, please rewind it. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. That means that you can have super deep parts. Even though it's a lace front wig, you can have super deep parts. It's not your average lace front wig where it only gives you about 2 or 4 or 3 inches of parting space. You're gonna just click your elastic band clamps together, slide your wig on, and that's gonna give you a secure and fit. The knots didn't come bleached, but the hairline came pretty natural, and I'm thankful for that. Me having this spray that I showed you guys allows me to skip the whole bleaching the knots method. And I love bleaching the knots sometimes, but sometimes it's really not necessary. And sometimes you really just don't feel like doing it. So the spray comes in pretty handy. What it is highlight color spray. It's a temporary one-day color spray. This is not something that's new. This is just something that I seen in the store. And originally I was going to put the highlights on my hair because I do not like coloring hair. But since I figured that the color was like a brownish gold, one day I decided to spray it on my lace, and it looked as if the knots were bleached underneath. So that's why I use this method now. I hope this helps you. And I know a lot of people are afraid of bleaching knots because they don't want to mess up the hair. So try this method until you feel comfortable bleaching the knots. Right now, I'm just defining my part. I'm using the RK by Kiss cream foundation with a thin makeup brush and just sliding it through the part. This is going to give you a defined part, and it's going to make it look very neat and very straight. I absolutely love how the color is so well blended. There are some companies that has the black, then the blonde, and it just does not look natural. This is my favorite flat iron. It's made by Conair, and it's exclusively sold at Ulta only. Works pretty darn good, and I only paid about $44 for it. And I really love this flat iron. This is like the best flat iron ever. I alternate between this one and the Babyliss.